How to log out of Bumble app. Want to take a break from Bumble or switch accounts? Let's log out quickly. Open Bumble app and tap the profile icon at bottom left corner. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down all the way to bottom and you will see logout. Tap it. Bumble will ask you to confirm that you want to log out. Tap yes or log out and you will be back on the welcome screen ready to log in with a different account or take a break. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of Bumble. And thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more quick guides.